this is Shell Googly, your realtor friend again. And today I have Vishal and Anjali, the wonderful couple who recently bought a great first home in Brampton. So today we're going to have a very quick chat with them, and they're going to share their experience, their journey from the time they started thinking about buying a home to the time now when they have selected, bought a home, and they're just waiting to move into it. So welcome Anjali and Vishal.
Hey, thanks, Shiv.
Yours.
Sure.
So can you briefly tell us how did this idea come that you wanted to buy a house?
We were pretty new and we did not have any information on Canadian real estate. So we just started renting a place.
That was, I think, your primary motivating
That
factor?
was the major thing.
Yeah,
yes.
that's
Yeah.
a major thing. So that was a major contributor. Although people say that renting is very flexible and you can be mobile, which is true. But at the same time, when you go to sign a new lease for the rent, the prices will be high based upon that particular time in the market.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And also that you can never settle down. You cannot make the changes, you cannot customize the place to
Yeah,
your
exactly,
requirement.
exactly. That's very true.
That even things like if you want to change the flooring or if you want to do some
Change something in the kitchen.
Exactly. Where you have to invest money like 5,000, 10,000, you don't want to leave it behind for someone else.
Right.
Absolutely. So how did you start? How did you start this whole process?
To be honest, it was not on our minds like 4 months ago, but we are approaching our end of the lease at the rental location.
And it's going to increase
Yeah,
this year.
this
also.
year, next
and
year.
there are also there are some places in Etobicoke where they charge for parking also, so that's extra.
Yes.
So we just started thinking whether we should go for a home.
We should at least start looking for a better place to live,
Yeah.
which we can call as home.
I agree. And I think that's the time I met you, Vishal, and then we started talking. I remember the first time you mentioned that you were planning, but I think there was some issue around mortgage also. We were not clear
True.
about mortgage.
True. So when I reached out to you, initially my goal was that that okay, we are trying to look at a certain budget, and that is what we are planning. But on the back of my mind, to be honest, I did not have any idea that how are we going to approach the situation, because she was on a mat leave and I was contracting, so I was full time before. I was contracting, so which makes things a little bit complicated. So when I met you for the first time, I asked you, can you suggest me what can we do? Even if you don't buy now within like next 2 months, can you show me a roadmap? You helped me a lot. You spoke with me for an hour. I don't know if you remember it, and it was in the night. 9
Great
o'clock.
that you remember. Thank you.
Yeah, so it was in the night at 9 o'clock. So yeah, I still remember it. I mean, like you laid down the roadmap, and you did good counseling for us. You also encouraged us to research by ourselves.
I think it was a Zoom call or something we had done the first time.
Yes.
Yes, I remember talking to both. That's so nice. Yeah, I remember that when we started off, we were not sure about the location where we wanted to go, and so do you want to shed?
Yes.
Exactly. So you want to shed some light on how the whole thinking process began?
Yeah, so how it started all is that from that particular call, and from there on we started researching, and we had very few things in the mind. The first thing was that we wanted to be pretty much nearby a public transit. It could be a subway, it could be a Go, or it could be anything.
And other thing what we were clear about was that we do not want to go to this places.
Yes.
Those were the clear ones, that we do not want to look at the places over here, but
Yeah.
we just want to explore this area.
Because we always thought that it is beyond our reach, it is beyond our budget, right? But you opened a door saying that, you know what, you can definitely look at stacked condos. And I never ever thought about stacked condos.
Yes.
So let us go and look at stacked condos. And the first time when we went, right, I was like really impressed that okay,
There were so many
this
different
is
options.
exactly, and only in that particular same area, like where we had the showings,
Yeah.
there were like so many options. Yeah.
Absolutely. And actually, you know what? So that actually opens up. You've already given so many tips in this conversation. So you've already told us about the location, what are the pros and cons, how you have to think about going far away, and what if you have to go to work. So you have to balance those two things. Secondly, very important point you raised was There are different options. You've got condos, you've got stacked
Stacked
townhomes, you've got townhomes, you've got, and so on, you know.
That's
And
right.
then, of course, you have the semis and the detached homes.
That's true.
So you have those options. Another question that comes very often, and I wanted your opinion. So a lot of people feel that they have to save up 20% to buy. What's your advice to people who are looking for first time home?
Yeah, I think that's a myth. To be honest, you really don't need to save
Wait
20.
for the
Yeah,
right
wait.
time or
Save 20%. 5% is pretty good enough to start with, and you should go for it if you're ready with the 5%. I think that's where you have to start it.
Don't wait, yeah.
not required. Yeah.
Not
Absolutely.
required.
Like-
Never wait saving 20% because the moment you try to go for 20% in that period of time, the prices might
The
shoot
price
up.
would have gone beyond
so
your reach.
your goal post of 20% goes higher.
Absolutely. And what you said in different words, in real estate, you don't wait to buy, but you buy and wait.
Exactly.
And eventually you will make
That's
money.
right. So your rent might increase, but the price you are paying for your home, it's not going to
Mortgage,
increase, right?
it does
It'll
not-
be the same over
same
years.
over-
That's actually a very good point.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a very good point. If you're renting and if you're buying a home, one thing is sure that you're going to save on the rent
Exactly.
and you will
Yes.
create equity. So it's a no-brainer. Another question which we always get is this a good time to buy? Or are prices going to go down or should I wait?
No one has a crystal ball,
Yes.
right? So
That's
if I had a crystal ball and in 2020 January, I can look into 2021. I would definitely have bought in 2020 January.
Maybe about two of them.
Exactly.
Yes,
Exactly. Yeah, because now data is the new oil, right? So and we are into IT. So
Absolutely.
yeah. So what does the historical data say?
So what we realize is now is the good time. Now is the right time always to buy a home.
Always,
and it's
always.
not like the first home is your dream home, right? So you can go for another dream.
Fantastic point.
Yes.
Absolutely. And that's, you hit the nail on the head. That the first home is your foot into the real
Yes,
estate.
yes. It's not your dream home. So just go
Absolutely.
for it.
Yes, yes. And if you don't take that first step, you may never be able to enter.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. You will be waiting for the right time, and right time might not come, right? So now is the right time, I would say.
One thing I have to say, good thing about you is that you people were very, very, very clear about what you wanted and what you were willing to sacrifice. You know, like if I have this, I'm okay. So
Yes.
that flexibility, do you think that was one of the key reasons why you were able to find a place?
I have seen folks who were emotionally attached to a property and they lost it in the bidding wars and they had waited for months and months
To get something similar.
By the time they again started looking at it, the prices have like shooted up.
Yeah, they
Yes.
shot up and then
So we were pretty clear.
And you
Yes.
were always available.
Available,
so
yeah.
that is the
That's
best
another
thing
thing.
we liked about you, that you were always available. Whenever we text you, we call you, you were always there to guide us, you know,
Oh, that's
whether
great.
we should
Thank
do
you.
this or not.
Yeah, so and initially even like when I was looking for real estate agents to help me out, the reason we went with you is that when I spoke with you, I knew that you are going to give us a lot of information because in your first call itself you gave us so much of information which we did not know of.
absolutely. That's nice. Thank you so much for that. Finally, actually, one very good point that you raised here was the fact that one has to be patient.
Exactly.
You know,
Exactly.
you don't.
You need a lot of
It's very nice that we are talking with a very, very happy couple here. But the journey has, we both have been very patient, and we have tried. We have not let it go. We
Exactly.
kept trying. We kept trying every day. We kept doing something every day, and we kept moving one step forward. And despite 2 failures, which is not too much, but we got something. Finally, see, my objective and your objective are the same.
Same, exactly.
We have to make sure that you get a property that you like,
Exactly.
and it has to be financed at the best possible terms.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
That was so kind of you that you connected us with the right people at the right time,
Yeah,
I would say.
exactly.
And you were available like one or I think couple of times. What happened was like he went to look at the properties with you, but I couldn't come because of family, situations. And then you come back again with us and you showed it to me also.
Twice.
So you were so much
Oh,
flexible
that's so
with
nice
that.
of you.
Yeah,
Thank
you're
you.
always available. Yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm sure our viewers have also enjoyed this conversation and they learned a lot. And definitely, I would recommend everyone, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you.
Thank you.